Hi, I'm Elizabeth Doherty Thomas, co-founder of the Doherty Relationship Institute. There is a conceptual way that my father, Bill Doherty, has viewed couples therapy since almost the beginning. And the model name is a little bit nerdy. It's called the Family Fire model, and we'll link to the 20-minute video describing it in this video. But the power of it, and we're seeing trainees in the Doherty approach, which is our regular couples therapy clinical training, really grab onto it. So if all the drama that we can have in our marriages, and then we go to a couples therapist for, the vast majority of it comes down to what we call the inclusion domain. In plain language, we as a couple and as families and as groups come up together with how are we doing life together? What is our shared understanding? What is the shared meaning we have around rituals and moments? And then when those don't occur the way we think, or we disagree, life changes, then what do we do as a couple when those changes come into play? This concept is really, really powerful because it's just plain English words, and it makes sense to couples. When you have a certain frame of, oh yeah, the couple is fighting, and these three huge things have happened in the last year, and yeah, it would be hard for anybody to adjust to those changes. And so they may be having conflict, but underneath it, there's a lack of shared understanding. So if you're interested in a very grounded, earthy way, using just simple everyday language to help couples unpack in a non-intense, it doesn't have to be deeply psychological. It could be a lot of common sense, though there's obviously research behind a lot of common sense clinically. Then check us out at thedohertyapproach.com. There's something very magical when we get our clinicians asking us questions, really liking these concepts of just things shifted and they haven't come together with a shared understanding, with life changing as it does. And in that way, it's just very simple to help people begin to see what has happened that doesn't involve some deep psychological work to go, oh, okay, and then to come together and to work out how they can get along better.